Did you know AI could replace half of all jobs by 2030? That's a startling prediction, but it's more than just a headline. It's a potential reality backed by data. Let's break it down to understand how this could directly impact your life, your income, and your financial security. Automation isn't some distant science fiction scenario. It's here, and it's growing. A McKinsey Global Institute report suggests that up to 375 million workers worldwide might need to switch occupational categories and learn new skills by 2030 due to AI and automation. That's about 14% of the global workforce. Imagine the scale of this shift. If you're one of the people in those at-risk segments, retaining your job might require relearning new overhauls every few years. It's not just about low-wage or repetitive tasks. Roles in finance, healthcare, even creative fields are seeing AI innovations that could change the nature of those professions. Let's use numbers to understand this shift better. Consider customer service, the field employing about 2.9 million people in the U.S. alone. With the rise of chatbots and virtual assistants, which can manage queries 24/7 without breaks or benefits, companies are eyeing potential annual cost savings of up to $11 billion. Often, businesses find that using AI in these roles is not just cheaper, but also more efficient. Chatbots can reduce customer service costs by up to 30%. It's hard to argue with the numbers when AI offers faster solutions at a fraction of the cost. Look at retail, another significant employment sector. Self-checkout technologies and supply chain robots are in action today. They're not eliminating all roles, but changing how work is done. Retailers implementing AI in their operations could save up to $340 billion annually by 2025. That's based on efficiencies like inventory management and personalized marketing. For workers, this means fewer traditional roles, but potentially more tech-driven opportunities, provided they have the right skills. Now, think about the white-collar jobs. Researchers have highlighted how AI technologies like robotic process automation are taking over tasks in the finance and legal sectors. Automated systems can already handle invoice processing, contract analysis, and data entry far more efficiently than humans. In banks alone, we're looking at potential annual savings of $1 trillion due to automation by 2030. You might be wondering why typical career advice often falls short in this AI-dominated landscape. Many people suggest simply learning to code or focusing on creative jobs immune to AI. While learning new skills is essential, it overlooks the pace of AI's evolution. AI itself writes code now, and creative writing algorithms can produce articles or reports faster than a human could. The real challenge is not just keeping up, but understanding areas where human intelligence retains enduring value. So, where does this leave us? We face a pivotal question. How do you prepare for an economy where AI job replacement is a substantial financial factor? Stick around as we explore practical steps you can take to pivot your career and safeguard your income in the face of this AI revolution. Imagine for a moment the job market transformed by AI. The core explanation lies in the evolving capability of AI to handle complex tasks. First, consider the numbers. In 2022, McKinsey estimated that AI could automate up to 50% of work activities globally. Imagine what that means for expenses and investments. If AI reduces operational costs by 30%, a company spending $10 million on payroll annually could save $3 million. That's a significant financial shift. Now, let's break this down. The first idea revolves around efficiency and accuracy. AI doesn't require breaks or sleep. Unlike humans, a machine working on a production line can operate 24/7 without diminished performance. Take a factory employing 100 workers at $20 per hour for 2 shifts a day. Each shift runs for 8 hours. That's $32,000 daily in wages. Replace half the workforce with an AI capable of the same output, and you cut daily costs to $16,000. Over a year, that saves over $5.8 million. What does this mean for your investment in the company? With reduced operational costs, this gives companies room to reinvest in growth, potentially increasing stock prices and shareholder returns. The second idea is about adaptability. AI can process vast amounts of data far beyond human capability. In finance, algorithms already execute trades faster and more accurately than human traders. A study from Deloitte found that high-frequency trading accounts for more than 60% of equity trading in the U.S. market. The volatility and complexity are daunting, but the instant analysis by AI secures advantages for investors who adopt these technologies. Imagine your portfolio optimizing in real time, adjusting under rapidly changing market conditions for maximum gain. Let's add a pattern interrupt here. Consider something unexpected: AI writing this very script. Whatever you're hearing now could be the work of an AI trained to replicate natural human speech patterns, even down to emotional nuances, a meticulous design creating persuasive content. Now, move to our third idea: AI's impact on service industries. Customer service jobs, filled by humans today, are vulnerable. A 2021 Gartner report indicated that by 2026, AI would power 95% of customer interactions. That's nearly every call center and help desk transformed. With customer service representing a $350 billion industry, efficiency improvements like AI-led interactions could save up to $150 billion annually, as estimated by IBM. But what does this mean for those currently employed in these roles? The adjustment could be harsh, impacting career paths and wage structures. Here's another pattern interrupt. Imagine using AI, not just as a tool, but as a collaborator. Think about AI assisting direct programs to strategize, offering insights in decision-making processes previously limited to high-level executives. Could this shape new job categories and professional opportunities? To tie this all back into an action plan, realize that observing these disruptions isn't enough. The bridge to our next step is examining how to navigate and leverage AI's widespread adoption. This isn't just about acknowledging the changes, but actively engaging to harness AI's potential, ensuring financial security and growth in a future dominated by technological advancement. Continuing from where we left off, let's talk about actionable steps that you can take today to navigate this AI-driven job landscape. Here's your 30-day plan. In Week 1, begin by evaluating your current skill set. Ask yourself if it overlaps with tasks that AI is increasingly handling. For context, think tasks like data entry or customer service calls. A study by McKinsey predicts that 60% of all occupations could see 30% or more of their constituent activities automated. Look at your job details and map out areas vulnerable to automation. During Week 2, make it your priority to develop a learning plan. Focus on acquiring skills that AI currently struggles with. This could be complex problem-solving, critical thinking, or even creative jobs like original content production. According to a PwC report, AI might eliminate tasks, but can also create new roles demanding new skills, potentially boosting global GDP by up to 14% by 2030. Spend at least 5 hours this week identifying local courses or online platforms like Coursera or Udemy that will help you bridge these skill gaps. In Week 3, get real with your financial planning. The transition period could impact your income, and you should prepare. Set aside a budget for learning resources, which might range from $50 to $500 depending on the course. Evaluate emergency funds and consider investing in your education as part of your financial planning. A World Economic Forum study suggests that every dollar spent on employee retraining could yield a return of $2.30 through increased productivity and efficiency. By Week 4, it's time to network. Reach out to industry peers, attend webinars, and engage with communities that align with your targeted skills. Networking is 85% more effective for landing jobs than applying cold. Build relationships, share insights, and learn from others who are also adapting to the AI job market. Consider this an investment in social capital, which is just as important as financial capital in navigating career transitions. Now, you might worry about the risk of investing time and money into training that may not pay off. Remember, AI's limitation is that it cannot replicate interpersonal relationships and human intuition effectively. This is your competitive edge. The urgency is real. Think back to the figures. Half of all jobs by 2030 may see significant AI influence. You need to be proactive, not reactive. So, as AI transforms the job market, seize the opportunity now to be prepared. You can adapt and excel. Don't let analysis paralysis stop you from acting. It's your career and financial future on the line. Subscribe for more insights and strategies to help secure your role in a rapidly changing world.